In today's rapidly evolving technological landscape, artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming industries at an unprecedented pace and revolutionizing the way we work, live, and interact with the world around us. At the forefront of this AI revolution are AI agents, intelligent software programs that are changing the way businesses operate by automating tasks and making data-driven decisions. AI agents are designed to automate tasks, streamline processes, and enhance productivity by mimicking human intelligence and decision-making capabilities. They can handle a variety of functions, from simple to complex. Imagine having a digital assistant that can handle repetitive tasks, analyze data, and make informed decisions, freeing up human employees to focus on more strategic and creative endeavors. This allows for a more efficient allocation of human resources. That's the power of AI agents. They are not just tools, but partners in the workplace, capable of learning and evolving. These intelligent agents can learn from data, adapt to changing environments, and interact with systems and humans in a seamless and intuitive manner. Their ability to learn and adapt makes them invaluable in dynamic work settings. From simple tasks like scheduling appointments and sending emails, which can save countless hours of manual work, to more complex processes like data analysis and customer service, where they can provide insights and enhance customer experiences, AI agents are capable of automating a wide range of workplace activities. This automation leads to more consistent and reliable outcomes. By offloading these tasks to AI agents, businesses can significantly reduce operational costs, improve efficiency, and enhance overall productivity. This shift allows companies to focus on innovation and growth. The rise of AI agents marks a significant shift in the way we work, paving the way for a future where humans and intelligent machines collaborate to achieve unprecedented levels of productivity and innovation. This collaboration is key to unlocking new potentials. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect AI agents to play an even more transformative role in the workplace, shaping the future of work as we know it. The possibilities are endless, and the future looks incredibly promising. Microsoft, a global technology giant, has emerged as a leader in the rapidly evolving field of AI agents. With a rich history of technological innovation and a forward-thinking approach, Microsoft is at the forefront of this transformative wave. With its vast resources, cutting-edge research, and commitment to innovation, Microsoft is developing and deploying AI agents that are transforming industries and empowering businesses worldwide. These AI agents are designed to handle complex tasks, streamline operations, and provide valuable insights, making them indispensable tools in the modern business landscape. Recognizing the transformative potential of AI agents, Microsoft has made significant investments in research and development, focusing on creating AI agents that are not only intelligent, but also user-friendly and accessible to businesses of all sizes. This dedication to R&D ensures that Microsoft's AI solutions remain at the cutting edge of technology. Microsoft's AI agents are designed to integrate seamlessly with existing systems and workflows, making it easy for businesses to adopt and benefit from this game-changing technology. This seamless integration helps businesses to quickly realize the benefits of AI without the need for extensive retraining or system overhauls. One of the key factors that sets Microsoft apart in the AI agent space is its comprehensive ecosystem of products and services. This ecosystem includes a wide range of tools and platforms that work together to provide a cohesive and powerful AI experience. Microsoft's AI agents are tightly integrated with its popular productivity suite, Microsoft 365, as well as its cloud computing platform, Azure, providing businesses with a unified and seamless experience. This integration allows businesses to leverage the full power of Microsoft's AI capabilities across their entire organization. Moreover, Microsoft's commitment to ethical AI development ensures that its AI agents are developed and deployed responsibly, with a focus on fairness, transparency, and accountability. This ethical approach is crucial in building trust and ensuring the long-term success of AI technologies. This commitment to ethical AI has earned Microsoft the trust of businesses and organizations worldwide, solidifying its position as a leader in the AI agent revolution. By prioritizing ethical considerations, Microsoft is not only advancing technology, but also setting a standard for responsible AI development. At its highly anticipated Ignite 2024 conference, Microsoft unveiled a suite of 10 new autonomous AI agents designed specifically for enterprise use. These AI agents are not just tools, but are envisioned as collaborative partners in the workplace. These AI agents, each with its unique capabilities and areas of expertise, are poised to revolutionize the way businesses operate, automating tasks, streamlining processes, and empowering employees to focus on higher-value activities. This shift allows human workers to engage more in creative and strategic endeavors. These 10 new AI agents cover a wide range of business functions, from finance and customer service to marketing and human resources. Each agent is designed to tackle specific challenges within these domains. For instance, one AI agent specializes in automating financial processes, such as invoice processing and expense management, reducing the time and effort required for these tasks. While another focuses on enhancing customer service interactions through personalized recommendations and proactive support. This ensures a more tailored and efficient customer experience. These AI agents are built on Microsoft's robust AI platform, leveraging advanced machine learning algorithms and natural language processing capabilities to understand and respond to complex business challenges. This technological foundation allows the agents to learn and adapt over time. They can seamlessly integrate with existing enterprise systems, accessing and processing data from various sources to provide actionable insights and automate decision-making processes. This integration ensures that businesses can leverage their existing infrastructure while enhancing it with AI capabilities. The introduction of these 10 new AI agents demonstrates Microsoft's commitment to providing businesses with the tools they need to thrive in the age of AI. By offering a diverse range of AI agents tailored to specific business needs, Microsoft is empowering organizations to embrace intelligent automation and unlock new levels of efficiency and productivity. This marks a significant step towards a future where AI and humans work hand in hand to achieve unprecedented business success. Exact, short for improving AI agents' decision-making via test-time compute scaling, is a groundbreaking technology developed by Microsoft Research that significantly enhances the decision-making capabilities of AI agents. This innovative technology addresses a critical challenge in AI agent development, improving their ability to make optimal decisions in complex and dynamic environments. Traditional AI agents often struggle to adapt to unforeseen circumstances or make informed decisions when faced with incomplete information. Exact overcomes these limitations by enabling AI agents to engage in a process of contrastive reflection and multi-agent debate before making critical decisions. Through contrastive reflection, Exact allows AI agents to consider alternative courses of action and evaluate their potential outcomes before committing to a particular decision. This process of reflection helps AI agents avoid impulsive or suboptimal choices, leading to more informed and effective decision-making. Furthermore, Exact enables multi-agent debate, where multiple AI agents with different perspectives and expertise can engage in a virtual discussion to arrive at the best possible decision. This collaborative decision-making process leverages the collective intelligence of multiple AI agents, resulting in more robust and well-informed outcomes. Alright, let's dive into how AI agents are shaping the future of work. You see, these AI agents are not just about automation, they're about enhancing human capabilities. Imagine having a digital assistant that can handle repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on more creative and strategic work. It's not about replacing jobs, but transforming them. The future workplace will be a blend of human intelligence and artificial intelligence working hand in hand. Exciting times are ahead. In this section, we explore real-world examples where Microsoft's AI agents have made a significant impact. From healthcare to finance, these AI solutions are transforming industries, driving innovation, and improving efficiencies. Let's dive into some fascinating case studies and see how these intelligent agents are shaping the future. Microsoft has established itself as a leader in the AI landscape. With a strong focus on ethical AI and responsible innovation, the company is committed to advancing technology while ensuring it benefits society as a whole. Their strategic investments and collaborations with various industries highlight their dedication to pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. Looking ahead, Microsoft's vision for AI agents is both ambitious and inspiring. They envision a world where AI seamlessly integrates into our daily lives, enhancing our abilities and helping us achieve more. By continuing to invest in cutting-edge research and development, Microsoft aims to create AI agents that are not only powerful, but also accessible and inclusive for everyone. As we embrace the transformative power of AI agents, it's clear that these technologies have the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work. By harnessing the capabilities of AI, we can unlock new opportunities, drive progress, and create a better future for all. Together, let's embrace this exciting journey and explore the endless possibilities that lie ahead with Microsoft's AI agents.